Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 5L box. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to put all 5 parts into the box. This puzzle was made from laser cut wood. It has a lot of different natural colors of wood. When you start solving the puzzle, you will find that you can easily fit 4 parts inside and there is not enough space for the last 5th piece. You can rearrange the parts, but you will end up with one piece out of the frame. Quite interesting detail: when you try to fit the last piece inside, you won't be able to fit it right here on top, and when you try to put 2 parts right here, you will find that you can't fit both of them because of the size of the frame. So it will be quite a tricky puzzle, and the solution will probably surprise you once you find it. If you like the 5L box from Siebenstein Spiele and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, put one of the pieces here, another will go down here, then you put one piece on top. We have some space left, one of the parts will go right here, and it looks like there is not enough space for the last piece, but it fits nicely right here, and that is the solution of the puzzle. All 5 pieces are inside the frame. If you like the 5L box and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Jürgen Reiche or made by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching, see you next time.